I'm going to show you how to fix entry point not found dynamic link library. So to resolve this issue, firstly open any web browser and type this URL microsoft.com/en-us/details.spx ID and =, 48145. So you need to type this URL. Now select your language, then click on download. In a check box, if your PC is 64-bit, so select this one, and if your PC is 32-bit, so select second one. If you want to check your PC system is 64 or 32, so click on start, then type system info. So you will see system type 64 based. So after click on next, once it download, so double click on it, check this box and click on install. And after installation, restart your PC. If after restart this issue is still running, so you can try second method. So click on start and type cmd, open command prompt and type this command sfc /scan now and press enter. Now wait for a while until this processor will complete. It will take some time. So this is, friends, by this quick and simple method you can fix this issue. Thanks for watching.